everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to do a nice hearty Jamaican vegan breakfast this morning, and in this breakfast we're going to have ackee and veggie chunks, as well as some boiled food and some dark green leafy vegetables. If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. I have here 1 pound of ackee. I'm going to cook it, and whenever I get ackee and I get too much, I normally just keep it in the freezer, which is what I did with this one. And I'm going to add some salt. Alright, so you can just allow your ackee to cook for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and then we get back to it. Here I have 1 cup of the veggie chunks. I'm going to rehydrate it with some hot water. While this is rehydrating, we're going to prep the food to put in our pot. And this will take around 10 minutes to rehydrate. After you rehydrate this, I want you to go ahead and I want you to wash it thoroughly under some water. Now for a boiled dumpling, I'm going to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, some salt, and you want to make sure your water is boiling for the food, alright? Gradually add water. You don't want a soft dough here, right? Alright guys, for the food here, we're going to put some oil on our hand. This is in case you don't want the banana to stain your fingers. And if you want to boil your banana in the skin, the decision is yours, alright? And I've washed my food here before I start peeling it. And you want to keep your ground provision in water to not change the color. Gonna give these a quick rinse off before adding them to the pot. Alright, in our water here, we're going to go in with some salt, and my water has been boiling, and some vinegar. And the vinegar is only to not change the color of the boiled banana, right? Going in with our dumpling, our sweet potatoes. I like to give my dumplings a little stir to not let them stick on the pot bottom. And going in with my bananas. Now guys, listen to me, bananas. When I'm cooking my food, I put everything at the same time because dumpling don't take long to cook, right? And guess what, you can just cook everything one time. Some people, like my grandmother, she would always put the food at separate intervals, but I don't think that is necessary, right? If you really look at the analytics, the dumpling does not take long to cook. So everything will just cook all together at once. All right, I've washed my veggies already. So we're gonna cut up the seasoning for the ackee and veggie chunks and our vegetables. So we want to cut enough. Going in with my oil, in with my garlic, scallion, onion, tomatoes, and Scotch bonnet pepper. In with my veggie chunks. Adding some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. This now I'm going to add a few tablespoons of water. We want to allow the seasonings to go right through the chunks before even adding the ackee. I'm going to add in some more scallion. I'm going to put my covers on and medium to low heat. Alright, we're not in any rush with this one. Let's look at our chunks now. Look at that, guys. All my flavors, I know for sure, absorb all the way through the chunks. I'm very confident in that one. Now we're going to freshen up things a bit, and we're going to add some more scallion, onion, sweet peppers. Can remove the thyme. It did its job. And now we're going to add our ackee. And some black pepper. You don't want to be turning over the ackee too much, because remember, ackee easy to break up. Alright, so we're going to return the cover. Now let's take a look at our food, and you can see everything is in tip-top shape. Nothing is broken up. And a good way you can know when your potato is fully cooked is that the color changes to a bright yellow. You see that? Alright, so we're going to turn it off. And you see what I was talking? Everything cooks same time. So you don't have to, at different intervals, you put in different food. It don't make any sense. On this side, we're going to have some nice fried plantain. And I've washed it already. When you're putting in your plantain to prevent burning, you put them away from you, right? In the same pot that we had fried our plantains, we're going to saute the veggies in this, and we're going to go in with our garlic, our onions and scallion, and carrots. At this time, we're going to add in our vegetables, a little pinch of salt, all right guys, beautiful breakfast we have here. And our steamed veggies. There you have it guys, a nice Jamaican vegan breakfast. I hope you'd give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.